Well, hello again, everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Once again, we find ourselves out in nature. Beautiful flowers, beautiful trees, and beautiful birds chirping in the distance. Take your time, bring your attention to this time, to this place, and just soaking up the divine energies everywhere. Sounds of birds flying by, saying hi, wishing you well, letting you know you are supported on your journey by God, by the angels, by Mother Nature, by all of creation. And just relax and soak up all that uplifting energy all around you. And know that indeed you are divinely supported, now and always. Hear that affirmation very clearly. Hear that confirmation from Mother Nature very clearly. You are supported. You are safe. You are loved. You are cared for, taken care of divinely. Spiritually, soulfully, sacredly. And once again, even though you may hear some rolling thunders way off in the distance, know that you have within you everything you need. You will be victorious. You will overcome like you always have, persevere like every other time, and you will be better off because of it. And rest assured, every step you take, you are not alone. You are truly, divinely supported. Feel that reassurance and know that you will face any storm, no matter what comes. It will only make you stronger, only help you appreciate everything even more. It will help you to be the presence of that peace, to bring your peace to each and every situation, to remind you you are the presence of peace. You have it within you. You have access to it at any time, here and every point afterwards. No matter what, you can bring your peace, aligning with your peace, being your peace, bringing your peace, spreading your peace. Enjoying the present, all the blessings there are, and looking forward to the future, knowing you'll be given even more time, even more opportunities to be the presence of peace that you are, to spread your love and light, to share your energies, to be an example, a powerful example of the living presence of peaceful love and light, upgraded, healed, and empowered, thanks to everything you've been through. Thanking our challenges, seeing how they have helped to shape you, seeing the blessings in our accomplishments as well. Accomplishments from the past and the present, and the soon to pass ones. Congratulations, everyone, in advance for everything that you will accomplish, that you will overcome. You are strong, you are powerful, you are a leader, you are beautiful, exactly as you are. You are forgiven for anything that you think you've done wrong. You are worthy no matter what. Then, now, and always. And stand tall in that knowing. Bring in your light everywhere you go. Gathering up all these beautiful divine energies, thanking Mother Nature, thanking the trees and the flowers and the birds, and all the messages that have come through. Bringing it all back to your mental, emotional, spiritual, and finally your physical body. Back to this time, back to this place. Coming back fully, recognizing who you are and all you are, and all you came here to do and be, and all that you will become. Knowing you are truly supported, then, now, and always.